Hey everyone, today my top three. There's a lot that's pending, and I can't talk about it because it's pending, and until it's complete I wouldn't want to report on it. But what I can say is that today I did work heavily on some plans for expanding the DAV Alliance, and we had a great meeting this morning amongst all the co-founders. It's always good to reconnect on the basis that we do, so we know what we're all doing, make sure we're all rowing the boat in the same direction. And I think one of the highlights of my day today was getting on a call with one of our newest advisors, George Zamka, ex-NASA shuttle pilot and commander. He was also a former Marine aviator and an ex-FAA executive. How cool is that? Great addition to the team. I'm so looking forward to working with him. And that's going to be it for me tonight, and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, so yesterday I completed the task for the decentralized EV charging project that we had. I also discussed with Adal for our ride-hailing service research that we're currently running, and she's been very helpful so far by gathering some great insights from the industry. And I also worked on the new communication protocol for photo shooting that I kind of completed today. So just finalizing the visuals with our designer, but I guess I'll be uploading it very soon. Hi, Tap. And today we also have a meeting with our crypto economy advisor, Eyal. So it's a product strategy meeting. We're kind of making it a weekly one, for at least for the following weeks. And I guess this is it, guys. So thanks.
Hi guys. Yesterday, in addition to, of course, my ongoing emails, I reached out directly to some of the members of our early contributor community to have a chat with them. Today, of course, the constant stream of emails, but I'll also be preparing some new agreements, executing some of those documents. See you tomorrow.
Hey, Davers, Alec here. So I decided this week it's all about numbers. The DAV Alliance is growing, and I really want to share with you the process of how we're outbounding and finding new potential DAV Alliance members. So yesterday, me, John, and Kyle had our weekly call, which went really well. We set some tasks for each other. And since then, I actually got 51 new contacts to our list from 15 different companies. And John outbounded to 21 new candidates. So what we will do, we will just update you throughout the week, see how it's going, some positive, negative feedback, and that's about it, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi guys, so today we met a company called MedSec. MedSec is a cybersecurity consulting company, and we've consulted them regarding security of our websites in preparation for the ICO. Then most of the day I spent on the recruitment task we got. We are trying to get this post out. It's not yet ready. So Hadar and Rachel and Gal and Tal and Yuri helped me, and we are trying to finalize the details and make this ad look cool so it will attract great people. Also, I've sat with Tal and we talked about the roadmap for the next quarters, and I'm going to start planning ahead and seeing what resources we need and get ready for the big tasks that are ahead of us. So, see you tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAV, good morning. So yesterday evening I had a conference call with Gal and Joe. We talked about future video strategy, and we decided to put more effort now on our advisory board, the great brands we have with us, the investors, and the great grades we got from reviewers online. So today I'm gonna start collecting content, I'm gonna do some research, and I'm gonna keep you up to date. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday worked on some advisor onboarding. We got another advisor coming on board, really exciting things. Also did some good work with our sort of creative mastermind on Aaron Gal. He's going to be working on some ads. He also runs all of our social campaigns. Also worked on paid media, so did some compiling of metrics and analytics to make sure that we are spending money where we should be to grow our community, grow our engagement, and ultimately, drive towards the token sale. Today, I'm going to be focusing on a new page specific to the DAV Alliance. So I'm going to be working with John on that, making sure we're building that out. Also going to be working on our email blast. So we have an email blast going out announcing a new advisor who is a certain individual from IBM. So really excited about him coming on board. And other than that, just working on a few different video ads that are going to be posted across Facebook and Twitter and Google Network and YouTube and things like that. So overall, good day, a lot of good things ahead. And that's about it. Take it easy, guys.
Hi guys! Yesterday I created design for EV charging project. I made separate page in our new beautiful style. I used color scheme for our brand guide fonts and illustrations. Today I'll make new task, color image and combine for new photo shooting protocol. I'll make a illustration new drone and photo shooting process. I'll draw illustration and execute simplicity like all illustrations for DAV. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.